Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss about the alcohols, phenols and ethers. We have already covered the classification of the alcohols and phenols. Then we have done the preparation of the alcohol. So let's start today with the preparation of phenols. Now, the very first thing is what phenols can also be named as a carbolic acid. Coming to its preparation, the first preparation is from haloarine. Now, whenever we obtain a phenol from the haloarine, the process is called as a Dow's process. It is chlorobenzene is made to react with a sodium hydroxide at a temperature of 623 Kelvin at 300 atmospheric pressure, and we obtain a phenol. Second process is from benzene sulfonic acid. Now, from benzene sulfonic acid, the benzene ring is made to fuse with the oleum. Now, the first question comes over here, that what is oleum? Oleum is basically a mixture of H2SO4 plus sulfur trioxide, or you can write down it as a H2S2O7. This benzene ring is made to fuse with this, and we obtain a benzene sulfonic acid over here, which in the first step made to treat with a NaOH. In the second step, we add little bit acid and we obtain a phenol over here. Now, coming to the next preparation method, that is your third method. It is your from diazonium salt. Now, whenever we need to obtain a diazonium salt, we make it from the aniline. Your aniline is treated with NaNO2 in the presence of the HCl, and we get the diazonium salt. Because I have written the chlorine, so it will be a benzene diazonium chloride. It is being heated in the presence of the water, and we obtain a phenol plus nitrogen plus HCl. Okay. Coming to the fourth preparation. Fourth preparation is from cumene. Now, when we talk about the cumene, यहाँ पे you always remember कि cumene जो है, it is also called as a isopropyl benzene. Okay. Besides this isopropyl benzene, just try out its other names also while naming. कि आप इसको और कैसे दे सकते हो? Reason being, the structure of cumene is CH. I just rub it and make it upside. CH, CH3, CH3. Okay, so this is the cumene. So just try out its different names. So like I have written isopropyl benzene. Clear? अब अगर इसकी आप नंबरिंग चेंज कर दोगे, so it can be a 1 methyl or 1 methyl ethyl. also you can write down. So first you made it to react with the oxygen. CH3, it comes over here, and then it undergoes a hydrolysis process, and we obtain a phenol and plus your ether. Okay, the last preparation method is your by decarboxylation of sodium salicylate. Okay, now by decarboxylation of sodium salicylate, so basically sodium silate क्या है? It is the sodium salt of the salicylic acid. अब salicylic acid क्या हो गया? This is the salicylic acid. When I am writing over here sodium salicylate, this H is being replaced by the Na. Now it is being treated with the NaOH, sorry, NaOH in the presence of a calcium oxide. So we obtain a phenol over here plus sodium carbonate. So these 5 methods are the preparation of the phenol. Now coming to the physical properties of the alcohols and phenols, physical properties are not much of the use, but over here we say that the give reason question for the 1 mark can be asked from the physical properties. So let's start. Properties of alcohol. The very first property is lower members are colorless, liquid, at ordinary temperature. The second point is they have the characteristic smell. The third point is higher members are waxy solid,
क्या हुआ?
recording higher members are yes, higher members are waxy solid. Now coming to the fourth point, from here we do not expect any question. Coming to the fourth point, alcohol exists as associated molecule. अब यहाँ पे a give reason 1 mark question we expect from here. Alcohol exists as an associated molecule due to presence of hydrogen bonding. Fifth point, from this point also we can expect a question, that is your boiling point. Boiling point of alcohol are higher than corresponding alkane. Now here again, what is the reason? Again the reason is due to hydrogen bonding present. Okay, coming to the next physical property, that is your sixth, that is your solubility. Solubility में से भी we can expect a question for the 1 mark, that is what? Lower members are soluble but with increase in number of carbon atoms, solubility decreases. The reason being is what? Because your size gets increased over here, therefore the solubility gets decreased. Now coming to the last section of today's lecture, physical properties of the phenols. In the physical properties of the phenols, we do not expect any question, but we should know the physical properties. It is colorless, crystalline solid. Second, characteristic phenolic smell. Third, sparingly soluble. Why it is sparingly soluble? Because of bigger size of benzene. And the fourth is boiling points are higher than corresponding aromatic hydrocarbons. Again the reason will be the same, that is due to hydrogen bond. Okay, now we have already played a quiz for this particular section. So now with this we finish the preparation and physical properties of the alcohols and phenols. Tomorrow, in the tomorrow's lecture, we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of the alcohol.